guys, and welcome back to Coding Club. So, one thing that we've talked about before is making a video game. So I've made a pretty basic video game here. Basically, the cat has to chase the mouse pointer to catch the mouse, and then it sets the score as it goes. So we're going to talk about two things today. One of them is the score, and we'll do a brief overview of it today, and then we'll go over it more in depth later. Okay? And then the other one is nested if statements, which sounds a little weird. So a nested if statement is like over here. So you see I have the first if statement and then the second if statement. So what do you guys think they can be used for? Right now I'm using this to say if the cat is touching the mouse, then increase the score by 1 and wait a second. And then within that, if you're increasing the score by 1, if the score reaches 100, then change the backdrop and it's going to be level 2. And then set the score back to 0. Does that make sense? So I want you guys to think of what else you could use a nested if statement for. And then also think about what characters that you're creating in your game. What do you want them to do? What's their story behind them? Like if you think of Mario, Mario has a story. What's your story behind your characters? Is it just a cat chasing a mouse? Or is it like Tom and Jerry, where it's like the trials of Tom to catch Jerry, and Jerry's always escaping him? That's up for you. That's for you guys to decide, though. So, one other thing that I said we'd talk about was the score. So that one is available if you go over to Data, you click on Make a Variable, and I named mine Score. So you see it pops up here, and I said you can set the score, you can change the score, you can show it, and you can hide it. So you can also use score in the operators. So any one of these you can put your variable into. So you could say, like, in my case, if the variable score equals 100, then do this. It's not hard. So keep thinking about this. I want you guys to try to make a second or even third level to your games today. See what your characters' backstories are and how complex you can make it. Okay, good luck.